Acrelec Touchless, Touchless Ordering Journey. The global leader of kiosk technology introduces unique patented Touchless, the future of ordering experience. Touchless is a plug-in technology using 3D depth camera that enables your customers to complete a full order at the same speed without the need to touch the screen, thus keeping them safe at all times. Our depth technology is able to ignore the disturbing surrounding elements to only focus on the user interaction. Acrelec Touchless enables safe ordering without touching the screen. There is no risk of pathogen infection or cross-contamination when ordering. Acrelec Touchless is the first solution able to provide the same ordering experience as a regular touchscreen, thus ensuring the same ordering time. There is no learning curve. Your customers will have the same ordering experience as no user interface design changes are needed. Acrelec Touchless is a plug-and-play technology. It is fast and easy to install and can be retrofitted on all kiosks. Zero contact, maximum impact. Acrelec Touchless.